In this session, let us learn about Java methods. A method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a method. Methods are used to perform certain actions and they are also known as functions. Why use methods? To reuse code, define the code once and use it many times. Create a method. A method must be declared within a class it is defined with the name of the method followed by parentheses. Java provides some predefined methods such as system out print method, but you can also create your own methods to perform certain actions. See here, code to execute it. See is the code. My method is the name of the method. Static means that the method belongs to the main class and not an object of the main class. You will learn more about objects and how to access methods through objects later in this tutorial. Void means that this method does not have a return value. You will learn more about return values later in this chapter. Call a method. To call a method in Java, write the method's name followed by two parentheses and a semicolon. In the following example, my method is used to print a text, the action when it is called. See the example. See, public class main static void my method, system out printed, I just got job. See here, the result was I just got job was printed. A method can also be called multiple times. See, you can call many times. See, now here we call 3 times. See, I just got job, I just got job, I just got job. In the next chapter, method parameters, you learn how to pass data parameters into a method. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 17, Java methods. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java method parameters. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.